So we are going to see some more words and then move on to the exercises for vowels or the articles. So we have words like zip, balloon, that has the consonants at the end, that is zip, balloon, king, jeep, fork, woman, nest, sheep, feather. So all these words have the consonants at the end. Zip, balloon, king, jeep, fork, woman, nest, sheep, feather. So the endings, that is P, N, G, P, K, N, T, P, R. All these endings are known as the consonants. We have the words helmet, doctor, medal, kennel, bus, fox, lotus, duck, bird, cub, parrot, watermelon. So these words are ending with the consonants T, R, L, L, S, X, S, K, D, B, T, N. So all these words end with the consonants. Then we have words that begin with the consonants. Nuts, ball, parrot, guitar, zebra, dog, lamp, kettle. So these words begin with a consonant, but arrow begins with a vowel. So the words nuts, ball, parrot, guitar, zebra, dog, lamp, kettle, all these words begin with the consonants N, B, P, G, Z, D, L, K, and the word arrow begins with the vowel A. So now we are going to read the words and write a or an. So these words are there and we have to see whether they begin with a vowel or with a consonant. So if a word begins with a vowel, then we use the article an, and if a word begins with a consonant, then we use the article a. So let us see. So the first word is chair. So chair, it begins with the alphabet C, and alphabet C is a consonant. So then we write the article a chair. So I am going to write the article a chair. The next word is umbrella, and it begins with U, and U is a vowel. So then I write the article an. So I write the article an umbrella. The next word is tree, and it begins with the alphabet T, and the alphabet T is a consonant. So I write the article a. So we say a tree. I have a tree in my house. The next word is arrow, and it begins with the alphabet A, which is a vowel. So in that case I write the article an. I have an arrow. So I write the article an before the word. The next word is boy, and the word boy begins with the alphabet B, which is a consonant. So then I write the article a. He is a boy. The next word ice cream. The word ice cream begins with the alphabet I, which is a vowel, and then I write the article an. I add an ice cream. So I add the article an. So we say a chair, an umbrella, a tree, an arrow, a boy, an ice cream. So we use the article an before the vowels, that is U, A and I, and we use the article a before the consonants C, T and B. So moving on to the next 6 pictures, we have the first picture orange, and the word begins with the alphabet O, which is a vowel. In that case, I use the article an before the word, an orange. The next picture I have net. Net begins with the word N, which is a consonant, and so I write the article a net. He has a fishing net, or he has a net. The next picture I have igloo, and it begins with the alphabet I, which is a vowel, and so I write and the article an igloo. Eskimos live in an igloo. The next I have mat, and the word mat begins with the alphabet M, which is a consonant, so I write the article a. He sleeps on a mat. The next word is axe, and the word axe begins with the alphabet A, which is a vowel, and I have the article an. The woodcutter has an axe. And the last word bell. The word bell begins with the consonant B, so I use the article a bell. So an orange, a net, an igloo, a mat, an axe, a bell. So I use the article an before words that begin with the vowel, that is O, I and A, and I use the article a before words that begin with a consonant, that is N, M and B. So I repeat this once more. We write the article an before words that begins with the vowels A, E, I, O, U, and I use the article a before words that begin with the consonant, that is the remaining 21 alphabets apart from the vowels. So I use the article a before the words. So if you come to the next picture, we see the certain words begin with the consonants, that is camel, C, quill, mat, van, sun, hand, top, fan, jam, kangaroo. So all these words begin with the consonants, that is C, Q, M, V, S, H, T, F, J, K. So all these alphabets are known as consonants, and the words omelette and egg begin with the vowels O and E. So let us move on to one more exercise wherein we see when to use a or an.